So what is up everybody, and welcome back of course to Ziwa Fx TV show. Okay, if you're new to this channel here, don't forget subscribe, and of course hit the notification bell so don't miss most of my videos. In today's video I'm going to explain to you something according to the trade that I took. Okay, get that? Because we learn through I believe one thing that I believe is I only believe when so one thing I can tell you guys is I'm very sorry because I rarely make videos because sometimes I'm really busy trading mainly and maybe doing other things, but I'll be trying my level best. Okay, so one thing you have to realize that we learn through examples. That's why I'm trying to make this video. I'm going to make this video why I took this trade and also what we're still expecting on this trade Euro AUD. Okay, the first thing that I told you is in high time frames you first go and check. Now we check on Euro AUD, look at the weekly, but before I can tell you this, I gave this trade in my group. You can see this, you can see this setup, and this is our thoughts actually in the group that price could come to 154490 before we can think otherwise. Again, you can see price has been moving real well. Yeah, so now let me show you something. Let's move to high time frames. You can see the weekly chart. In the weekly chart I didn't see something so nice, but the daily chart got me excited. That's why I had to go for this trade. Okay, in the weekly charts you can see this candle here. This candle here is still very bullish, the last weekend. Okay, but let's see what can. I'm expecting that this red candle, I'm not just expecting, but it's not good to expect in price. I'm expecting that this red candle will close maybe as a strong bearish candle to form like a railway track. You know what a railway track is? If you don't know about railway tracks, of course go and watch about candles. Okay, now let's go straight to the point. So what am I trying to say, guys? Let's go to daily. So look at daily. I want you to look at last week's candle. Okay, last week's candle. Look at this candle here. Okay, and then look at this candle here. It's kind of beating my mind. Okay, why am I saying it's beating my mind? Why is that this candle is too small? This one here, why is that this candle, we had here a strong bullish candle, then why is that the next candle is again showing a deficit in the market, like it's too small? You get that? We don't expect this type, we don't expect this candle after this. If you see a strong bullish candle like this, then we're expecting again another bullish candle that will close above this price. So one I think I did is that I marked my price first. I had to first mark this price, that okay, I already marked that price. Okay, I marked that price because it was the closing price of this candle here, and I was expecting this candle, because of the strong bullish momentum, it should also close above this, but it failed to close and formed a very small candle. Okay, and this candle is not showing whether buyers and sellers are strong in the market. You get that? Now when you come to the next candle, it has closed below. The reason why I'm taking a sell is this next candle has tried to close below the opening of this candle. You get that? Now let's go straight to the point where I really saw some clue. I took this trade because it was kind of sniper entry, and we are still falling down. I'm going to show you why it's still falling down. Okay, come to if you come to H4, I didn't see something very nice about H4, but I came straight away to H1. That's when I saw something very sweet. Now the first thing is that you first look at the structure of the market. You get that? I'm expecting that the trend of Euro AUD can easily change, but it's really very hard to first notice when the trend is changing. Now the first thing is that I marked my top pick, and this is my top pick, as you can see there. Then I mark also my shoulders, as you can see here. Okay, these are my shoulders, those are my shoulders. Okay, and this was also my shoulder. Okay, that's why when I took this trade, I sent the stop loss to be on the top shoulder, because I was seeing rejections, guys. Sorry guys, sorry. Let me show you something. You see these shoulders here? What's not happening, right? Okay, just a moment, let me first delete some. Okay, let me mark this shoulder. I hope it works for me. Yeah, those shoulders, huh? You can see that. So why did I say that my stop loss should be at this top here when I was sending the trade? It's because I'm already having a rejection at this point. You can see this. You can see this. Look at this type of shape here. Look at this shape. You see, understanding this is very easy, guys. Look at this. Then after we are having that shape, we have again a strong rejection candle. You can see this rejection candle here, this rejection candle here. Okay, now what does that imply to me? It implies that it's now a valid head and shoulder. Okay, and what shall we do? We sell the trade. Now when we are selling the trade, we always have what we call expectations in the market. When price is falling down, it falls slow. Now let me show you. Price, we first say like this. This is our first. What is that? I don't know. Is this the support or resistance? If you've been watching my videos, then you should be knowing that, guys. Okay, that. Okay, You get that? So this was a bullish trend. When price breaks this price here, okay, you get that. Let me draw for you something first. I draw this. Let me say I draw this. Okay, when price breaks here, what does that mean? It has broken this low peak here. Okay, this was a bouncing point for another high, but price has broken. It means it has broken our support. Now, if price breaks this support, it's now a resistance point. Now, this is resistance number 1 here. Yeah, because price has broken. Now, why I'm still holding this trade is we have again the next support point, which is here. It has also been broken. And you can see how price is rejecting. See this. See how price is rejecting at this point. See this nice rejection. You can see that. What does that imply? We are still moving until the next support, until all our supports are broken. When all our supports are broken, the buyers will have no support in the market. That's why I've said that price has to, when price reaches, this is a very strong support because price was having a raging market there. When price reaches this point, that's when we shall think of otherwise. If price breaks here, then we shall keep holding. But one thing you've seen is that all the 3 supports have been broken. You can see that. Let me draw again the support so you can see. Support. This is the support that has just been broken here. Okay, let me mark it so you can see. I have so many texts, guys. So show me. You can see this first support was broken there. Another support has been broken there. You get that? Now you've seen those supports being broken. Now what is the next support to be broken that we are watching, that we are now heading to? We are heading to this point. If price breaks this one, then we are coming down. You get that? So this is the most important support that we are waiting for it to be broken. So one thing that you can see in this market is I derived this trade mainly from what? The market structure, mainly only the market structure. So one thing you have to do is, of course, don't forget to like and follow this video. Of course, leave a comment about what you think about my videos. And of course, one thing is share the video to other people, of course, guys. Let's all grow together. This video was mainly derived from just the support, from just the market structure. But I'll try my best to be making videos because the truth, guys, is I'm a full-time trader and sometimes I really have some issues with blogging. How can I say making videos on YouTube every time? It's really very hard for me, but I try my level best. So guys, let's watch on to the next trade. And if you want to be part of the group, of course, just be in my Telegram and of course inbox me, guys. So let's move on again. I wish you all the best. So this might take profit here. This might take profits, okay? If it reaches here and it hits, then I will add more entries if it breaks this point, okay? So let's move on to the next again. I wish you all the best. If you, of course, don't forget to subscribe, guys. Really don't forget to do that. Let's move on again to something else, and I'll try my level best about getting funded. I'll make more videos about that. Then if you're really a beginner into trading forex, make sure you're in the beginners group. Okay, in the beginners group you'll learn a lot. So you'll learn a lot. I'll communicate in that group. See you guys. Have a nice time. Bye. So I have to end.